modern architectural structure with the Dwelup Corporation. Welcome to Dwelup Corporation, your one-stop destination for comprehensive architectural and civil engineering services. Footage of architects working on AutoCAD drafting. Our team of skilled architects is proficient in AutoCAD drafting, ensuring precise and detailed plans for your projects. Footage of 3D house design. Transforming dreams into reality, our 3D house design services offer a virtual tour of your envisioned home, helping you visualize every detail. Footage of structural analysis and design process. Our experts conduct meticulous structural analysis and design to ensure the longevity and integrity of your constructions. Footage of team conducting construction material and cost estimation. Our meticulous material and cost estimation help you plan and manage your budget effectively. At Dwelup Corporation, client satisfaction is at the heart of what we do. Montage of completed architectural projects. We work closely with our clients, understanding their unique needs, and delivering tailor-made solutions. Our team of experts ensures a seamless transition from planning to execution, overseeing every aspect of the construction process. Closing shot of the Dwelup Corporation logo. Whether it's drafting, design, analysis, or estimation, Dwelup Corporation is your reliable partner in turning your architectural dreams into reality. Contact us today to embark on your next project journey. Dwelup Corporation, where vision meets precision.